welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the new Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Nude Lip. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. This is what the packaging looks like. This is Sephora's lip sampler, and it's Spring's Nudist Edition Tube Lip. Lip set offers a variety of options from matte lipstick to a top coat, and you can use them alone or wear together to customize a perfect nude. This set does retail for $28. When you open it up, this is what the inside does look like, and we lost one. First product that comes inside, it's deluxe sample of the Tarte Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Exposed. Second deluxe size sample is by Buxom, and this is in the shade Sugar. The third deluxe size product is by NARS, and this is in the shade Orgasm. The fourth deluxe size sample is by Smashbox, and this is in the shade Mauve Wife. And the last deluxe size sample is by Hourglass, and this is in the shade Futurist. The full size product that comes in this kit is by Decay, and this is a lip topper in Fever. So we're going to start off with the Tarte lip product, and this is in the shade Exposed. Another close-up of what this does look like, and let's swatch this. It does come with a mini doe foot applicator. This is what the shade Exposed does look like. We're going to swatch this on our lips. I really like this shade Exposed. I feel like it doesn't complement my skin complexion at all. It is a bit streaky, and it didn't go on as pigmented. So there is that line at the top. I'm going to try on this lip topper to see what it does look like. This is what the Decay applicator looks like. It's so unique. I've never seen something like that. I love how iridescent this lip topper is. We're just going to apply this on top. When you apply the Decay lip topper on top, it just completely changes the lip look. I love how this lip combo is. It's on very smooth, the lip topper. It's not gritty feeling at all, and it's not sticky at all either. So now we're going to try on the Buxom Full-On Lip Polish in Sugar. And this is what the doe foot applicator. This is what the lip polish does look like by Buxom in Sugar. Does have a scent to it. It does smell like cotton candy, and on the lips it doesn't tingle or anything, but it does have that peppermint feel to it. It feels like peppermint on the lips. I don't like, it's a little bit, it's not tingling, but I don't like how it sits on the lips, so I just have to remove this. My lips are very sensitive, so if something goes on my lips that's very irritating or stingy or minty, I don't like that on my lips, and I just don't like this product. Just a regular clear gloss with a little bit of tint to it. On my skin complexion, it didn't show up. The next lip product we are going in with is by NARS, and this is in the shade Orgasm. So here we have the shade Orgasm by NARS at the bottom. This lipstick I can wear throughout my day-to-day basis. I do want to see what the Decay lip topper does look like on top of this. I feel like this lip topper does take your lip game to the next level. So it does give that iridescent glow, which I really do like on the lips. You guys already know how I feel about the Be Legendary Liquid Lip Pigments. This is in the shade Mauve Wife, and I don't really like the formula on these. They are very sticky, and I just don't like it. But for the sake of the video, we are going to be swatching this. This is what the doe foot applicator does look like. And here we have the shade Mauve Wife. It's not as sticky as I remember it being. When I do press my lips together, oh no, never mind, it still has that stickiness to it. So I guess when I am talking to other people, you do see that weird goopiness coming up. Like right now when I'm talking to you guys, you can see that goopiness. So never mind, I thought they changed the formula. It's the same formula. I don't like this formula. But I do like the shade though. And of course you guys know I want to try on this Decay lip topper. I just want to place this in the center. I love this lip topper on its own. I feel like it changes the entire lip look to just being this iridescent shade. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. The last lipstick we are going to be trying on is by Hourglass, and this is in the shade Futurist. And here we have the shade Futurist by Hourglass. I love how creamy this formula is. It does feel comfortable on the lips as well. I do want to add this lip topper on top to see what it does look like. I really do love this Urban Decay lip topper, and I love this Hourglass lipstick as well. I know you guys want to see what this lip topper does look like on its own, so let's try it out. I love this lip topper on its own and applied on top of some of the lipsticks. I removed the Urban Decay lip topper and I just added the Hourglass lipstick, which I really do like. $28. I don't really think this is a great value in my opinion. The Urban Decay Vice Special Effects lipstick does retail for $18. It's not a good value in my opinion because I'm never going to reach for any of these lipsticks. The Smashbox, if Mauve Wife, the Orgasm lipstick by NARS, the Buxom, which really hurt my lips a little bit. I didn't like the peppermint feeling, and then it did start to sting, so I don't really like that. And the Tarteist one in Exposed, it was very light on my skin complexion and it did leave that streak. So I'm never going to reach for any of these, and I'm probably only going to use these two. The Hourglass, which I'm currently wearing, I would probably reach for every day. The Urban Decay in Fever, which is $18, I would use this once in a while. These four I would never use. I don't think the set for me is a good nude set for my skin complexion, and it's not a good value in my opinion because it doesn't suit my skin complexion. 4 out of the lip products I'm not going to be using, so $28 is not worth it for me. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.